Hey everyone, I'm at Starbucks, so don't, I can't do a long video. I just want to show you something I'm gonna give you away, which is my small talk entities group. Instead of using the traditional small talk block here, I do my own with Dialogflow, and I'm gonna show you an example of what it can do and how you can use it with Dialogflow. Here's you have like all good morning, bye, goodbye, and all synonyms that a human being could use instead of hello, what's up, greetings, yell, LO. So let's jump up and do something with an intent that I created, and it's going to show you a bit of how slot filling works. So if I say morn, like in good morning to you, but if I try good afternoon, see, good afternoon to you. So instead of using small talk, it make it dynamically replace with slot filling the word that the user, the greeting that the user use, which is what much more natural in terms of natural language processing to the user to will come with the same time frame or anything like this. So I hope you would like it. Subscribe to my YouTube channel in order to get other tips and tricks like this one, and go check it out for our Facebook group on Dialogflow Community. So I'm gonna post in the community this video with a link to a Dropbox to get the same small entities for you, free for you guys. I'm gonna do the same on my YouTube channel. I'm gonna have a link that will add the Dropbox links. So I hope you like it, and we can resume that Dialogflow journey later on. Have a nice day, guys. Bye.